Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of the Whisky Geek. I'm Ben and I'm super excited to be doing this one for a couple of reasons. Firstly, these will be the first whiskies that I'm choosing to review for this channel. And secondly, I'll be drinking Balblair, which is a distillery that I absolutely love. I had a chance to visit them last September. Because I was driving, I had to take the sample pack away, and this is me finally getting around to follow up on it. I did get a chance to sniff them while I was there though, and they were bob on. So I chose to do the Vintage Moments tour, which was an extended sampling of 4 whiskies. The final one is a little bit special. Balblair do vintage releases rather than age statements, and the first one that I'll be sampling is the 2005 first release, bottled in 2016, so 11 years old. Now clearly I have tried this one before. Now this whiskey is bottled at 46%, and it's really quite a light crisp gold, shade 2, Manzanilla on the colour chart. So let's get in and explore the nose. So the nose opens really soft and inviting. It's got plenty of orchard fruits, apples, some grape in there as well. Soft tannins, resinous, a little bit leathery. Plenty of bourbon influence playing off the apple. It's giving it kind of a toffee apple vibe. Some clove and ground almond. It does still have a decent alcohol presence though. It's a little bit like mulled wine, vinous and punchy. Really very inviting. So now let's explore the palate. Plenty of fruits and caramel again. It's warming and a bit vinous. Nutmeg and cardamom in there. It's got a lovely soft presence in the mouth as well. It's not overly thick or oily, but it's got a good feel. Finish has got plenty of those sweet fruits in there again, but it's warming pepper, a kind of oaky pepper, and it's medium long. I'm going to try the last bit with a little touch of water, see if that opens it at all. Brought more resins and spices to the nose, emphasis on the bourbon cask. Definitely emphasised the fruits and the sweet tone of the caramel on the palate. It's certainly not the cheapest way to enter the market, but Balblair have really set the tone for the rest of their range there. It's got a lovely body, it's robust and fresh. I've given that one a very acceptable 78 out of 100. It's a lovely whiskey, but it's kind of just missing the wow factor. But to have that as the only criticism of an entry-level whiskey for Balblair, it's promising. So cheers for sharing this whiskey moment with me guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up, drop a comment below and consider subscribing. See you next time.